highway's humming low tonight, underneath the pale moon glow. I've chased my share of neon lights in towns I barely knew. Every mile behind me now feels heavier than stone. I guess a man can lose himself on a long way home. It's a long way home when your heart's been gone, when the words you should have said stayed unsung. It's a long way home through the dark alone, but I'm turning this old truck around on a long way home. I left with pride and restless dreams burning in my chest. Thought freedom meant an open road and never standing still to rest. But your voice still rides the wind through every radio tone, calling me back to where love waits at the end of this long way home. It's a long way home, past the hurt I've known, past the foolish things I did on my own. It's a long way home, but I won't roam. I'm coming back to your open arms from this long way home. Maybe love's not in the running or the places that we hide. Maybe it's in humble footsteps, swallowing our cry. If your porch light's still burning like it used to shine, I'll walk through that front door and leave these miles behind. It's a long way home, but I see your light shining through the dark of this endless night. It's a long way home, but I finally know where a man belongs is in your love. At the end of this long